welcome to today's video. So, as you will know, it's been a very long time. I last posted 738 days ago, and for the past 719 days I've been in hospital. I am still currently in hospital, but I want to try and get my YouTube channel back up again, and I feel like I've got a good way of doing it this time. So, papier, don't know how you pronounce it, is, I'm just going to quickly flash this, you can't see much, but this is how I'm organising my final year planner, which I just realised because the camera's flipped, it's probably going to read backwards. It says my final year. I've had to take 2 years out of uni, and which means I've had 2 years off. Again, this might be backwards, it says dissertation planner. I've had to take 2 years off of this. I am not 100% better, but I feel like YouTube and trying to get content out again is going to kind of give me something to do and something to look forward to, and I really enjoyed doing it, so hopefully I can get back up to doing all of that. So I am restarting my degree. So as you've seen on my channel, I've done first year, second year, and I've done a semester of third year. So I'm jumping back in halfway through my dissertation and going back in January, well, the end of January, for semester 2, which I will probably be doing a majority of it online. I'm still hoping that I can create content, and I'm basically doing blended learning years after it stopped being a thing. So I will be taking a different approach this semester. So in terms of like everything else. So I've been to every single seminar, tutorial, even when I've been the only person in the tutorial. But for my mental health's sake, I'll be taking a different approach for my last semester. I'm calling it the do what I need to do to get through thing. I'll only be going to the lectures that are needed for my assignments. I've sort of slowly started on this big bad boy, and I have 5 recordings I need to listen to, and I decided I'm going to film a dissertation diary of me working on my dissertation. Obviously it's a massive piece of work. Not this time, but in semester 1 I did my research proposal and I got 80 on it, so that is like 10% done of my entire dissertation, which carries over from semester 1 to semester 2. I've got an occupational health assessment next week, and all going well I can go back end of January. I currently don't have any leave, so it would be online, and that just depends on like my mental state and incidents and things. Obviously I do psychology, so it's not a surprise that I'm in a mental institution, really. Well, it probably shouldn't be. Most people who do psychology degrees want to be a psychologist or have had troubles of their own. I have had troubles of my own, of which I will eventually speak about. I just understand that my viewers are very university orientated, as that's the kind of content I've put out. I will continue to put that out. I do have quite a lot of video ideas. I'm waiting for my camera to be agreed so I can have it, so I'm filming on my phone at the moment. So essentially, here I am, I'm back, hopefully. I am going back to uni. I'll be doing separate dissertation videos, I'll be doing uni videos, but I will also kind of link in like the mental health kind of aspect of everything. Maybe tell a bit about my own experiences. I'm currently under Section 3 of the Mental Health Act, and I'm currently in a rehab, so I will open up about those things when I feel the time's right, as I don't want to like bombard my viewers who are used to uni work with like mental health, autism and everything like that. So yeah, I thought I'll ease you in with where I've been and what my plan is. So I'll hopefully be uploading once a week, as I did. I really enjoyed having a positive impact on people's university experiences, and also I think sharing some of my mental health issues and just how I am, and people might find interesting. Yeah, so for everyone who's out there doing a psychology degree, you go be that psychologist instead of being me and becoming the patient. So yeah, so this is just a quick hello, I'm back, and yeah, thank you for all the support, and I will see you next week for uni videos. They might not be at uni, but they'll be about uni. So if you like this, thank you, give it a thumbs up for my returns, and I will see you at the next video. Bye.